Hey guys, I'm showing you how to make a vegetable spring rolls in an air fryer. So roll the intro. Let's preheat the air fryer. So I'm gonna put the time on 3 minutes, and after we're gonna put the temperature on 390. So it's 390, and then click start. And make sure to put air fryer and click start. So now it's preheated. So I'm gonna take it out and put it on the table, and then put the frozen veggie spring rolls in the holder, and then the
So we're gonna spread them out a little bit.
Yeah.
To keep them space.
Spread them out.
Okay. Now they're all evenly spread out.
So now I'm gonna put it. So now I'm gonna put it back in the air fryer and put the time on 10 minutes.
We're gonna put it on 10 minutes, and then we're gonna stop at 10 minutes, shake it, and then do it 10 minutes more.
And then we're gonna put the temperature on 390, and then click and make sure to put it on the air fryer. Click start. So now 10 minutes has been over. So you put it on your table and just start shaking them just a little bit, like shake them. So yeah, we're just shaking them. And so I think it's done. So now we gotta put it back in the air fryer and turn this on. Make sure it's on the air fryer and put it at 390 degrees and put the time. I think 5 more minutes. Yeah, 5 more minutes will be fine. Put it in 5 minutes and then click start. I'm pretty sure it's done at 1 minute. Yeah, and it's done. And enjoy your no oil spring rolls.